Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys, and if you try to connect the scanner to the OBD port, OBD reader guys, and the scanner doesn't power up, it cannot communicate with the car, we'll explain guys what could cause that and which fuse to check. There is only one fuse for that, and if that fuse is bad guys, okay, actually you will not be able to connect your OBD scanner. Now, that fuse guys, sometimes I've heard rumors, I don't know if it's true or not, sometimes even dealers will remove it so people don't mess with the cars for warranty and stuff like that. So I don't know if it's true or not, I've just been reading stuff like that on the internet, people buying cars and the fuse is missing. In our case guys, it's a burnt fuse, and we'll demonstrate how that burnt fuse guys will make, okay, the OBD connection not appear, okay, it will not work at all. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, let us know if that fixed your problem or if you have any questions. Let's start on it now. So we have this 2009 Lincoln MKX, and now guys, okay, if you open, okay, I'll open the door. What I'll do guys, okay, I'm going to go ahead and connect that scanner guys. This is a really good scanner, so if you need to check it out, it's very cheap but does pretty amazing job guys. We have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, we're going to connect it to our OBD port. Okay, you can see it's all the way in, nothing on the scanner. I'll even turn the ignition on. Okay, let's see if that will fix the problem. Ignition is on, nothing guys. So let me explain now, okay, what is causing that now. We'll guys need to check one fuse that is located, okay, right here next to the brake paddle. Okay, if you may need to press the brake paddle to get here. I already pushed ours, so it's not in the way. Open that fuse box, okay, like that, you can see. And now the fuse guys that we need to check, it's a 15 amp fuse, and it's called fuse number 20, okay, and it's this fuse guys right here. I'll go ahead and grab it guys. Okay, replace it. Now if you guys want to find, okay, where we get all those fuses from for a really good price, we'll have the link guys in the description of the video below guys, so please check it out for your convenience. Now I'll push that fuse in. Okay, give me just a second, it's very tight room here. Okay, and the moment I pushed it in, I just saw the scanner lit up. So now guys, we have communication with the OBD scanner, and everything from that point on, it's good, and we can read the codes and establish communication with the vehicle. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.